Weather-wise here, WDSU First Warning Weather. Going to see if I can get the Children's Hospital cam up behind me. It doesn't look like I got that in, but I can tell you it's looking really good behind me here, at least right now, depending on your vantage point. Crystal clear blue, maybe a couple clouds in the distance, but I am going to start with Doppler radar this time, just to show that a few clouds that will develop could come with some rain. But this is mainly going to be along the I-10 corridor and south, and especially as you get closer to the coast. Right now, the showers remain, most of them, they're going to be offshore. They are headed west, as you can see. So you got some movement to it, just moving in some outer marshy areas of the St. Bernard Parish and the westward movement. Let's see who's going to be first up. There's Hopedale. There's going to be Delacroix. So Reggio could be in here too, and eventually Bel Air to Alliance. That's going to be on that dew line westward. Not much for New Orleans, and especially North Shore. I wouldn't expect much out of this first wave. Just want to note that we found de Terrebonne Parish and just an edge of Lafourche. A couple of downpours here from Bull Run, had some near Bayou Cane to Houma, but most of that was quick to come in. That really faded, and then most of that out to some marshy area here too. We're going to go right into the tropics here for us, because a couple areas outlined for the National Hurricane Center with low chances of possible development. This one's going to be from an area of energy that's been identified right near the Bahamas coming into the south tip of Florida. And that is a low chance over the next 2 days, a 10% chance. I just don't see anything well defined here. That's where I put the area of low pressure. You can see that there is a chance that we start to develop that little bit of a kink in some of those little bit of winds here. There's trying to be a circulation here by Sunday morning at 6:30. This is well going to stay east of us. We'll have to deal with our own separate system. These are two separate entities coming from what I'm showing here, what could give us rain chances this weekend. We go into next week too, and little is coming out of that particular system, at least by that forecast data. With warm waters in the Gulf in this time of the year, of course, we can get development, and we'll keep an eye on it. Next 3 to 7 days, tropical wave coming off the African coast. This has a low chance of development 3 to 7 days from now. So this is a long-lived system to have a chance of development. We're going to go till middle of the week. That's by Tuesday at 6:30, 7 o'clock. Lesser Antilles, possible Puerto Rico by the weekend following this. That shows the chance of maybe something developing, but it does note and hint that once it reaches Lesser Antilles, Puerto Rico area, then it goes farther north from us. So the takeaway here, I'm still not looking at anything that's directly impacting us or could come our way. Temperatures to the 80s. Dew points have dropped 60s and 50s. Really feels like a nice fall day. So locally, what's bringing us our forecast is going to be a system up a few miles into the air combined with some energy here that could bring some showers and storms, likely along the coast. Fewer chances farther north we go. The exception will be into Sunday. How far north will that rain shield start to go? And the high-res imagery only getting us to about Saturday night right now. So for the rest of today, there's that chance of rain. It looks to be likeliest I-10 corridor and south. That is even overnight to tomorrow. Top temperatures a few degrees warmer to where we go today. Tangipahoa Parish Fest tonight, and the meet looks fantastic. Clear skies. We've already opened Midway. We had kids coming from school earlier in the day. This is Friday morning. Tomorrow morning, looking to be showers and storms again, likelier to the coast, not much farther north of I-12. The same's going to go into Saturday morning. So you start to see the rain chances setting up today into Friday. Can take that into Saturday morning too. 70% of chance along the coast, about a 30% chance here, greater New Orleans area, and just not much north. Then we get into the weekend. The chances are going to be by Sunday. That's when they start to tick up. And again, we're looking at storms scattered in coverage. If you get the rain, not expecting rain the entire time. Storms should move in, storms should move out. Maybe another one comes. But again, I'm not expecting a washout weekend for everyone. Travers.